And good Saturday afternoon, everyone. I'm SWKSS Chief Damon Latham, and this is a severe weather update for today, May 4th, 2024. Still expecting an active severe weather week next week, possible severe weather outbreak. In two of those days will be affecting the SWKSS region. I want to remind everybody that we are also recording as of right now for West Kentucky Storm Chasing. That is myself and Will Claude, Josh Fenstermaker. With that team, I'm working on getting a separate video intro and everything together for that team. Uh, we're also going to be going out away from the SWKSS region, out in the Midwest, southeastern United States, storm chasing. Not going to be this time, as we've got some things going on, but however, we will be here in the SWKSS region. Take a look at our watch and warning map across the United States today. Severe thunderstorm watch down in Texas issued. Flash flood warnings issued from down in Texas up through Oklahoma. Having a really hard time down in that direction. Take a look at local weather observations here in Katy's. Temperature was 78 degrees, dew point 68.6. Wind was south-southwest at 9 mile an hour. Humidity 72.9%. And 0.00 inches of rainfall since 12 a.m. as of 2:15 p.m. this afternoon. Other temperatures around the region: Murray at 80 degrees, Benton 80 degrees, Paducah 83, Princeton at 80, Clarksville, Tennessee at 75, and Dover, Tennessee at 76 degrees. Take a look at radar off camera here. Some isolated shower activity down toward the Clarksville, Tennessee area. That's why they get the ring cooled air down in that direction. Shower activity near the Hopkinsville area, Tree Christian Line, other isolated showers popping up uh, near the Land Between the Lakes area at Katie's. Some small shower activity just east of Madisonville, north of Central City as well. Take a look at our day one outlook from the Storm Prediction Center for today, May 4th. Level 3 risk down in Texas. Level 2 risk outside of that. Level 1 risk extending from Texas, Arkansas, parts of Missouri, and up into near the Chicago area, and another small slight risk area up in Illinois as well. Day 2 outlook, Sunday, May 5th, 2024. You get that small slight risk area down in South Texas, marginal risk extending up, including parts of West Tennessee there, but just outside of the SWKSS region. Another small isolated risk to the north there. Day 3, May 6th, Monday, big severe weather day starting out west in the Plain States. Level 3 enhanced risk, large level 3 enhanced risk with a hatched out area, slight risk outside of that, and level 1 outside of that. Risk moves into the SWKSS region on day 4, Tuesday, May 7th, level 1 or level 2 risk, however, slight risk covering most of all the SWKSS region down through Arkansas, all the way covering a large area of every state in Illinois. They're included in that level 2 risk. That level 2 risk also includes a possible level 3 enhanced risk being added as well. Monitoring day 5, Wednesday, May 8th. All of the SWKSS region included in that 15% level 2 slight risk already. We do expect at least a 30% level 3 enhanced risk included in that as well. It's somewhere in that region, and it could possibly even go higher. Will depend on how things come together as we get closer in time. Take a look at that storm planning graphic again for severe weather awareness. A few days before, make sure you have the emergency supply kit ready. Know where your safe place is going to be. Make sure the family has a communication plan, no matter where they are. The day before, just plans as needed. Make sure your phone is set to get those warnings. Make sure that you have shelters cleaned out and ready to go. Day of storms, remind your family of communication plan. Know how to get to safety from wherever you are, and take action when those warnings are issued. Good news from the Climate Prediction Center, the 14-day outlook. This goes from May 11th to May 17th. This will be welcome news for us after this week of severe weather. Below average temperatures expected over just about all the eastern United States, other than Florida. So if you're headed down there, you'll get some warm temperatures, but below average temperatures for the remainder of the U.S. on the eastern side. Slightly below average temperature, or below average precipitation rather, for the same time period. So this would not show as much of a severe weather threat if this comes to about. So welcome news after this busy week of severe weather coming up. Want to remind everybody SWKSS will be out of service May 18th through the 24th, 2024. We also encourage you to follow other weather sources as well, as always, with us being out of service. And that is all we have for your severe weather update for today, May 4th, 2024. We'll have another severe weather update tomorrow, taking a look at things from where it looks from the Storm Prediction Center, after we take a look at models as well of what we think. Have a little bit more detailed forecast, hopefully, tomorrow as well, as we get a better look at that first day the severe weather will be affecting the SWKSS region. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay safe and stay informed as we go into this week. With severe weather is forecast for the SWKSS region, turn to SWKSS. With our underground reports out in the storm with SWKSS Green Weather Spotters on Facebook Lives. To our severe weather update videos, we keep you informed. Knowing the difference between watches and warnings. A severe weather watch means conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including but not limited to tornadoes. While severe weather may not be happening, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions. Listen for later statements and possible warnings. By following media outlets or internet sources or NOAA Weather Radio for the latest severe weather information. If a tornado warning is issued for your area, you should take action and move to a basement or lowest floor or interior room away from doors and windows. Use a mattress or pillow to cover your head and neck area if possible. If not, kneel on your knees. Put your head down using both arms and hands to cover your head and neck area as best as possible. This should also be done in an interior room, lowest floor of the building, kneeling against an interior wall. Put as much as you can between you and the outside as possible. If you're in a mobile home, you should make plans ahead of time to take shelter in a nearby building before storms are in the area. If you're in a vehicle, take shelter in a nearby building. Do not try and outrun a tornado. If there is no shelter nearby, take shelter in a low-lying ditch, covering your head and neck area. Never take cover under an overpass. How can you be ready for severe weather to hit the SWKSS region? Stay informed. Have a flashlight and batteries. First aid kit. Have a family medicines and special needs ready to take the shelter with you. Knowing where to go before the storm arrives. And have all devices charged and ready to go. SWKSS Southwestern Kentucky Storm Spotters cover 17 counties in western Kentucky and 2 counties in Tennessee. Being prepared saves lives. SWKSS before, during, and after the storm.